Hey guys, welcome to another week and another video tutorial for the assignments we will be having for this week. So I'm going to be quickly showing you what we're going to be doing in this task we have reserved for this week besides the live event. So users, jobs, and flows. Why does it matter? Information architecture decisions are the hardest to reverse later. We don't want to do reverse engineering later, so we want to make sure that we made at least 90% of the right decision on the right time. So flows that we draw now will save you from designing navigation later at high fidelity, which is such an important piece to do. So I would recommend or suggest that you, from your research, define 1 to 2 primary users with job to be done statements, like when do I want to, so I can generally what they want to do in a specific capstone that you selected. Map the product information architecture, sitemap or inventory group is intersections, so you can manage the structure better. Then draw 3 user flows in FigJam or Figma. I prefer Figma. I think we should stick to that, even though FigJam is cool for these things. And then the primary task flow, onboarding, and 1 recovery flow error. So that's like 3 user flows. One would be like the task flow, the primary task flow. It can be happy path, the onboarding for the app, and recovery flow when we run into an error. And then deliverable would be the flows page with JTBD statement or job to be done statements with the 3 annotated flow diagrams. So we need you guys to come up with 3 good diagrams where you will, like, as I said already, have a primary path, have a recovery flow, and have an onboarding session from your capstone. Then we will evaluate the flows that you made and cover everything that you presented here. Also, the diagram should be clear enough so that a peer can also understand what's it about without like too much hassle and trouble. And yeah, that would be it for this task. If you have any more questions, you can ask on the portal under the assignments or just contact our support. See you soon, guys. Bye.